Now, Goldman Sachs itself doesn't really offer a wide range of credit cards directly to the general public like some other big banks. The main credit card they're known for in the US is the Apple Card. They actually issue the Apple Card. So, if you are aiming for a Goldman Sachs-backed credit card, you're most likely looking at the Apple Card. Here's how you go about getting one. 1. Got an iPhone? You are in luck. The whole application process is baked right into the Wallet app on your iPhone. You pretty much need an iPhone to apply. 2. Open up that Wallet app. Find the option to add a new card. It usually looks like a plus sign. 3. Select Apple Card. You'll see it as one of the options to add. Tap on it. 4. Fill out the application. It'll ask you for the usual stuff, your personal info like your name, address, social security number, and your income. Just be honest and accurate. 5. Review and submit. Double check everything you've entered, then hit that submit button. 6. Wait for the decision. Goldman Sachs will take a look at your application. Sometimes you'll get a decision pretty quickly, other times it might take a little bit. They'll let you know in the Wallet app. Key things to keep in mind. US resident. You got to be a US citizen or a lawful resident with a US address, not a PO box. Age. You need to be at least 18 or older, depending on your state. Credit check. They're gonna take a peek at your credit history, so make sure it's in decent shape. Two-factor authentication. You'll need to have two-factor authentication set up for your Apple ID. So, while you are applying for the Apple Card, remember it's issued by Goldman Sachs. That's the main way for a regular US citizen to get a Goldman Sachs credit card right now.